let's groove it. You want to be the best? Let's prove it. Oh.
You tell him, Boulder. Make us awesome-tacular.
Yeah. Here we go. Yeah. Knees up high, straight to the sky. Yeah.
Self-bounce mode. Activate.
Here we go. Yeah.
Have no fear, we're almost there.
This is amazing. Where did everyone go? Boulder?
They left. Your friends have been slacking. I'm talking major backtracking. I bet they're off snacking.
They snuck off during my jump till you drop workouts that I demand they come to. Why?
Who's ready to work those?
Taste buds?
I had to give Boulder's session to skip. I exercise enough steering the ship.
I know. So exhausting. Wait, did you just rhyme?
That wouldn't make much sense. Probably a coincidence.
This dance move's really tricky.
That's a hologram glitch, Sid, not a dance move. I'll run a software update later.
Sid, if you copy their glitches, you'll end up needing stitches.
That rhymed.
McLaren's having a party with snacks and drinks and cakes, not me's. Why would she do this to me? I made her exercise. I made her manage my career. What more can one girl give?
You shouldn't eat so much cake, you'll be overtired without a break.
McLaren's stolen everyone to have a no-sister shindig. A meatless meeting.
Don't be so rash, filling up fast will make you crash.
Well, she's not so good at managing, is she? Because she forgot to invite me to her Noveless party. Her Jones-free zone. She's left me out on purpose. McLaren's organiser.
One more bite and say goodnight.
No Nova Club.
Told you.
Nova's on the move. Cool running.
Hang on, I'll find my keys. You gonna sing?
Offs, Blob.
My star toast.
Hi, Nova. The whole universe has been invited to Planet No Nova for a party. Shame you're not invited. See you when we get back. Bye! I'm being left out. Morning! I had a great dream last night. I won Organizer of the Galaxy. It felt so real.
How did you know it was a dream?
Because you came runner-up.
Was that before or after your big fun planet thing?
What big fun planet thing? I need to go talk to Sid and the captain.
Why do you need to talk to Sid and the captain?
You really wouldn't want to know.
I really would want to know. Really wouldn't. I really would.
Okay, about the nautical navigational controls of the Jefferson.
Boring!
Told you.
Nautical navigational controls. What does that even mean? NNC. Code for Club.
Hologram update complete.
Yay! I did it! New Dologram selfie mode lets you create a super realistic hologram of yourself.
Nice.
Nice. I managed to do the entire software update task without any sit-ups. It's brilliant!
Good.
Why so not talky, Captain?
I can avoid being poetic if I only say one word. If I use any more, rhyme gets hurt.
Can I have my tablet back now? It's Red Monday on Pencils Galore. Buy 100 pencils, get a free pencil case.
Everyone, you'd better be at Boulder's next workout session. That means you, and you, and you, and you, and you. Maybe not you. Calling kid songwriter. And you. Do not miss it or Nova Squill goes ultrasonic. Okay, here they come. They're coming. They're coming. They're not coming.
So with every order of 100 pencils, turns out you get a third of a pencil case. Captain, shouldn't you be at Boulder's workout? What's that? I'm giving his workouts the chop. If I do, this rhyming nonsense will stop. You know that still rhymes. Kid songwriter.
I am not doing a workout. He'll make me stand up. Do you know when I last stood up?
No.
Me neither.
Well, you're just in time to see the second and third parts of this awesome pencil case.
Yeah.
Ah, thanks, Chef. Chef Din-Dins. Ooh, you really should be at Nova and Boulder's workout. I know she makes you do a high-speed toddle, but... Right, so everyone's here now, are they?
Nova said we have to go to Boulder's workout, but it makes my limbs sleepy. McLaren has yummy snacks. Sleepy limbs, yummy snacks. Sleepy limbs, yummy snacks. Sleepy limbs, yummy snacks. Oh, I wish I could be in two places at once. Hologram selfie mode! Selfie mode. Selfie set. I need to be at Nova and McLaren's at the same time, but I can't be in two places at once. But we can. Why are you leaking, Sid? I get a teensy, weensy bit sweaty when I'm nervous. I'll be okay. Let's go. McLaren's is this way. It's this way.
Your guy's the best I've ever met. He's not even breaking a sweat.
At least my hand worked on someone. Hey, Sid, want to play some ball? Ah! Sid's a ghost.
Since you have dolograms, he's surely a hologram.
Hologram. Yes, same thing. But where's the real Sid? No Nova Club. But I asked nicely.
Things will turn out for the best. It's not a popularity contest.
Every day is a popularity contest. This means no one wants to come to your sessions. And if Nova Jones can't convince them to come, you can say goodbye to training. That was clever, though, sending a selfie, Sid.